Hello foodies, I am Kanak. Welcome to my channel Ready Steady Eat. Today I am going to show you a very simple Indian rice recipe, that is Methi Pulao or Fenugreek rice. It is a very healthy and wholesome dish which is prepared out of long grain rice, some fenugreek leaves in it with some tomatoes and other fresh flavors and herbs in it. It is a perfect wholesome meal for any time of the day with some yogurt on the side. It is also rich in nutrients and has got lot of medicinal properties in it. So let me show you how to make this pulao. Heat oil in a wok and to this add the cumin seeds, and when it starts to splutter, add all the remaining whole spices along with it. So I am going to add the bay leaf first, cloves, cinnamon stick and the green cardamom, and stir it well for around a minute or until it becomes little brown and giving out good aroma. Now to this I am going to add the slit green chilies and fry it for a few seconds, followed by ginger garlic crushed, and again saute it until the rawness of the ginger garlic goes away. Keep stirring it. Next to this add the chopped tomatoes and saute until very little tender and mushy. Now to this I am going to put in the freshly washed and chopped fenugreek leaves and saute for 1 or 2 minutes. Also mix in the peas along with it. Here I am using the frozen peas, so no need of cooking it long as it will automatically cook along with the rice. Next stir in the salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder and coriander powder and mix well and let it cook for around 1 to 2 minutes so that all the flavors of the dry spices and the whole spices get along with the fenugreek leaves and the tomatoes. Now to this I am going to add the washed and soaked rice, which I have already soaked for 45 minutes. Put the rice and give everything a good mix and then add the water. Let it come to a boil, and when you see that the rice has taken most of the water and a very little water bubbles remaining on the top, cover it with a lid and lower the flame for around 8 to 10 minutes or until you see the rice is cooked through with all the flavors. Now remove the lid and check, and now slowly fold it. Yes, it is done. You can check one rice in your hand. Yes, it is done. Now for plating, I am going to stuff this rice in a bowl wrapped inside with cling wrap. Stuff it nicely, fully, and pat it a little with the help of a spoon or spatula, and then plate it upside down this way in which you want to plate. Now it has come out nicely. It looks quite lovely, and if you want you can garnish it with some tomatoes and cucumbers on the side. So do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such lovely and easy recipes. It's me Kanak signing off. Bye bye.